Dio Brandon Viterbo, grade 12 UMS with high honors.
73 years of Catholic education, gifted to give. A great theme for today's event. It is true that each one of us has the capacity to share what we have to others that is purely out of love. But in life, even if we are lacking of some things, we pursue to touch the lives of others, no matter how big or small the act is. In this journey of my 6 years in secondary education, 2 years that is spent here in Liceo de Masbate, I learned 3 significant things that we students need to explore and learn today. First, finding your passion. Second, finding your mission. And third, finding yourself. First, finding your passion. When we are children, people ask us all the time, "Nanon gusto mo maging pagdako?" But it seems today, more and more adults are asking themselves, "Pakain ba ako?" Today, the possibilities are extraordinary. The bigger problems and challenges of today are probably that there are just too many options and opportunities. The secret is finding something where you are happy, comfortable, and well suited for. Hanapon ang passions. Dili anay magpabakal sa mga branded na bado para makasabay sa uso or fashions. Hashtag okay lang sa kalam. I challenge my fellow graduates not to focus on the age-old question of, "Nanon gusto mo maging pagdako?" But rather, to ask, "What is God calling me to become?" It is a total change of perspective from what do I want from what does God want. We are not asking what does God want us to do. We are asking who does God want us to become. Second, finding your mission. Nando ba ang mission ko sa buhay? Mag-eskwela gayud ba san maayo? Maglaag ni san pakain? O maging matanos na anak? Finding our mission is possible only if we are willing to look beyond ourselves. Mission is not driven by our own desire to do something, be something, or have something. It is driven by the needs of others and the needs of the world. Mission is a meeting between self and service. If we are unable to see ourselves as being called by God to mission, then let us be called by the needs of others and the needs of the wounded but wonderful world. Aramon naton ang aton misyon, dili anay magpakonsumisyon. Hashtag mission anay bago relasyon. Third, finding yourself. Service provides the most direct route to establishing a clear sense of who you are and what are you here for. By shifting our focus from what we can get to what we can give, we open ourselves up to life of service. Pag-serve na hugot sa buot, dili kay nagapanukot. Pwera na lang kung may utang. Hashtag libre lang ayaw ilista sa utang. By finding our passion, mission in ourselves, we are molding a prepared mind, a strong heart, and good soul of our lives. We will be able to know the right path to take on. These 3 work together in order for us to give, share, and sacrifice things to others. Our greatest strength as human beings is our ability to make a difference in the lives of other people. And yet, it is the most unseen of all human abilities. We can achieve it because of the strong foundation of personality and faith given by our dear alma mater, Liceo de Masbate. This is not just a school, but rather my second home that provides holistic formation. Liceo de Masbate has played a vital role in molding my moral and spiritual life. I have learned to do what is necessary, then do what is possible. And before long, we will find ourselves doing the impossible. Ang Liceo de Masbate, dili kay bagsakan sa mga ordinaryo na estudyante. Adi didi makikita an matahom kag mahigos na mga maestro kag maestra kag batanon. We live out what Liceo stands for. Life of integrity, compassion, excellence, and optimum service to the church and society. In this moment, I would like to express my sincerest gratitude to our beloved Father President, Principal, teaching and non-teaching staffs of Liceo de Masbate. My heart shouts with gratitude as each of you became an aid for us to reach this moment. You have patiently walked with us in this journey while reminding us to never give up on our education. You all believed in us, so we believed in ourselves as well. You didn't just impart knowledge, you impart wisdom and faith as well. To my Mobo Central School and Mobo National High School, thank you for helping me to be the best version of myself. To our treasured parents, especially to my nanay, we've made it this far and we will even make it farther. Also to my Lola Pia, Mami Jinky, Mama Ning, and Ate Plinky, thank you for the unending support. To Dada Chan, thank you for pushing me to be the best. To my cousins and relatives, thank you for believing in me. I hope I made you all proud. You all my truest constants. With all the love, I am thanking you. To the parents, relatives, and friends of my fellow graduates, we are still young, so we all know that without your unending support, we can't even stand a chance to be here. Your sacrifices will never be in vain. I pray that you will be here with us longer so that you could all see us succeed in life. To my fellow graduates, irrespective of profiles and stereotypes, as we, the younger generation, given this high privilege, let us commit ourselves to further develop and continuously nurture our bright future that lies within us. Let us all be fueled by education and prove that we are gifted to give. Thank you for the shared memories, but this is not yet the end because there is more to life. Let us all be the hope that our country needs. To my fathers, Mons Kaluya, Father Ian, Father Joves, and Father Onyx, thank you for the love and support. My faith in God becomes stronger because of your guidance and words of wisdom. To my friends, who are my anchors and angels in times of doubts and fears in life, thank you for being there during the moment that I felt all alone and empty, even in happiness too. To Franz and Nicole, Team Faithful, Angka Fale, Carl, Adrian, Francel, April, and Loy, Team Mobo, Chris Takiana, Echo, and Pau, Platinum Batch, Grade 11A, Grade 12 UMS classmates, Possumus Team, Hugot Katisismo Family, Seminarian Brothers, Kuya B-Boy, Kuya Rap, Kuya Pervs, and Kuya M, and so much friends. Thank you. Hashtag True Friends. Above all, thank you, God. You are my strength and my source of energy to do well in life. Without you, I am nothing. All of you deserve to be thanked. Before I end this, to everyone who are watching, let me remind you that when we were just a dream by our parents, our purpose had already been assigned by our loving God. We are created for a purpose because life isn't just about doing or having. It is all about becoming. Thank you, and may the God of the universe bless each one of us. Congratulations, Batch 2021. Hashtag laban lang. Hashtag basta Licean Antigo.